Today I'm going to ask you guys to try to measure angles with a tool called a protractor. Um, the protractor is a device that's made specifically to measure degrees of rotation, just like I was talking about with the person who was looking off into the distance and then found another building that they thought was interesting. This page gives you directions on how to use it, but I am going to go forward and I'm going to kind of demonstrate that for you. So in yellow, I have an angle. And this protractor is already set up so that the vertex of that angle is lying right on that red line, right in the middle of what I consider like a sunset, right? This is like a sunset that's happening right now. So what I have to do though is I have to click and drag till that red line matches up with one of the yellow rays. So I've done that right now. You can see that it's orange here along the edge here. So that means the red and the yellow have combined to make that 0. Now, if you remember what I was talking about, we're talking about how many degrees of rotation are happening from this yellow ray to that yellow ray. So if I were looking over here first and now I'm looking over there, right? So I'm going to start from 0 and I'm going to read 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then each one of these tiny little bumps right here, 101, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put in 104. I got it right. Well, I'm going to do the same thing this time, except you'll notice that even though I could turn this way upside down like this. I could put that top one on 0 and read the top numbers. The protractor is made with another set of numbers on it too. So I'm going to take the bottom and I'm going to line up the bottom with 0 this time. Now look at where the 0 is. The 0 is underneath the 180. So now I'm going to be reading these numbers because 0 is where I'm going to start from. 0 is where I start from. So when I measure with this particular set of numbers, I'm going to measure from 0 up to 10. And then I have to kind of bump myself out here and figure out how many past 10 did I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is really 14. Let's try one more. Now you can use either set of numbers. It doesn't really matter. You can start your 0 here and make sure that you read the inside numbers, or you can rotate this around and start your 0 here and read the outside numbers. Can you figure this one out?